I just put the Catio in just now. Wasn't in 2 minutes. And they were asleep upstairs. So Charlotte. You doing, Charlotte? Going up the Catio? Are you? What you doing? Come on. Well, they were in it. There she is. I'm just going to leave that. You know, that's fine. They don't need a big space. They're getting the fresh air and they're out of the rain when it's raining. And it's got a screen on the inside for bugs and the outside for raccoons. Oh. I got to take this back. I got a whippersnap here. I just finished all the lawn. We get the lawn tractor put away. When you drive in here, you can turn right around and back it in the corner. That's what I like about it. You can drive in, drive out. So, everything's hung up in its place. I'm very particular about neatness. So, I gotta get some more kibble. We're out of that. They ate me out of house and home last night. I'm just gonna leave the trailer there. It's a good spot for it. Now my little lawnmower. The mulcher thing kept popping off, so I threw the mulcher away, and what I did, I drilled 3 rivets and I bolted it over the rivets, and now the grass doesn't go all over me. So what else got to come out? I throw my garbage in here and lock it up. My snow blower's under the blue tarp. Barbecue. I'm not going to take that out until June. So, anyway, the yard's all done. I didn't get the graveyard up yet because I was a little nervous about the bear being around, but the cross and everything's still there. But I have to wash the, I gotta wash the statues yet. And I put the mower up and high and I mow all this too. I didn't do it yet, but I do all this area. See all the dead wood? That's the trees that all fell down over the years. Reminds me I have to get my power saw out and cut a couple of branches off the lilac tree. Alright. Go down and check the grave. Oh, another tree blew down. Right in my path. Oh my God, two blew down. See, they're all dead. Yeah, see that? I'll have to chainsaw that. This is one of the markers. Tells you where your land is. Yeah. So this is where the grave's still there. 220 2021 he died. He got hit by a car. See, the rosary's still there, look. Yeah, the rosary's still there. So I just got to put the fence up and the statues back. Well, instead of walking up that, I can walk up this way. Another path. These are raccoon paths, eh? They're all over the place. Yeah, they're all over the place. See, the hurricanes cause all this trouble. Yeah. There's a house up through there. Alright, I guess that's it for the tour. See, the lilacs are out. You never smell them. Yeah, both these bushes are lilacs bushes. I got 2 branches I gotta cut off there. I'll do that now. Whew. See if there's anybody here. Hi, Connor. What you doing? Are you in the catio? Are you in the catio? Are you? You smelling that nice fresh air? Are you smelling the nice fresh air? Are you? How's that? You glad that's out, aren't you? Huh? You a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yes, you are. You're just a baby. You're just a baby.